रागनी एक ब्रांड है एंड इट्स अ बालाजी ब्रांड एंड नाउ इट्स एन ऑल्ट ब्रांड. तो it is understood ke ek brand, a show which has a brand will also do well. And not only that, now with the web coming in, the web series has taken it to the next level. So and now it's coming towards the end of the first season. So I have been called in to direct in a very exciting sequence for the end, which I hope everybody will like and want to see then the next season.
वेल थोड़ा बहुत आज के सीन्स के बारे में बताएं, किस तरह का सीन आज शूट हो रहा है.
I can tell you nothing about today's scenes, but all I can tell you कि बहुत ही different होगा.
सर जैसा कि आपने हद से जैसी सीरीज वेब सीरीज भी आपने डायरेक्ट की है तो उसमें क्या डिफरेंट देखने मिलेगा आपकी तरफ से लास्ट एपिसोड
हक से और रागिनी एमएमएस.
टोटली डिफरेंट है फिर
हाँ, एक है नॉर्थ, एक है साउथ. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि दिस इज नॉर्थ एंड दैट इज साउथ, बट बहुत डिफरेंट है. एंड आई थिंक ये है, दिस इज द फन ऑफ वेब का जो मीडियम है कि यू गेट टू डू डिफरेंट. आई डिड देव डीडी द फर्स्ट सीजन विच वॉज सेट इन जयपुर. हक्से इज सेट इन कश्मीर and now Ragini is set in horror land, so it's very interesting and very exciting.
वेल हॉटनेस और हॉरर दोनों है, तो जानना चाहेंगे क्या एट द लास्ट.
So I am here for hotness, so not for horror.
कि जैसे कि एकता कपूर ने आपको स्पेशली इस शॉट के लिए बुलाया था, तो व्हाट वाज योर फर्स्ट रिएक्शन?
This was my reaction.
Why?
कि यार, you know when you get called to shoot Ragini MMS का climax, so it's interesting. कि I think I took it as a compliment.
Any scene which is your favorite you want to share?
There's nothing I can share, but all of them are my favorite.
सेंसर का कुछ इशू हो रहा है सर वेब सीरीज में.
That you'll have to speak to the alt Balaji people.
जिस तरह वेब सीरीज का ट्रेंड चल रहा है आपको जो एक अगेंस्ट देखा जाए तो मूवी के एक तरफ तो उसके बारे में क्या कहना है.
नहीं, मूवी के अगेंस्ट नहीं. आई थिंक एक ऑल्टरनेटिव मीडियम है. जब एक टाइम था व्हेन टीवी स्टार्टेड, तो ऑल लॉट ऑफ द ऑडियंस वेंट फ्रॉम फिल्म टू टीवी. तो नाउ दिस इज न्यू मीडियम. तो एक थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा, बट देन इवेंचुअली एक सेटल हो जाएगा कि ये ऑडियंस फिल्म का है ऑडियंस है, ये ऑडियंस टीवी का और ये वेब का है. बट इट ऑलवेज हैपेंस व्हेन अ न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी कम्स इन.
करिश्मा और साक्षी के बारे में बताना चाहिए, किस तरह के एक्टर है क्या.
I will come to know now. This is the first time I'm shooting with them, so I will tell you right after the shoot.
वेल बालाजी काफ़ी माना जाता है, स्टिक काफ़ी माना जाता है, तो आपके आपके साथ किस तरह का रिलेशन रहा बालाजी को लेकर.
बालाजी के साथ मेरा अभी आई थिंक ये तीसरा साल that I'm doing stuff for them. और एकता and me have known each other for at least 15 years. So it's an old friendship.
Something that you're looking forward to, like while shooting the climax, something that you're looking forward to work with them, anything like that?
Well, it's always interesting to shoot different kind of sequences, like I said. So it'll be fun to see what comes out. A lot of it will be improvised. So there'll be a lot of improvisation on the set. So
आपने कोई स्पेसिफिक ट्रेनिंग दी है आपको करिश्मा एंड साक्षी को अपनी तरफ से कुछ
ट्रेनिंग नहीं कोई एक मतलब 2 घंटे का वी डिड अ रिहर्सल कि बेसिकली ये प्लान है एंड जस्ट सो दैट यू नो दे अंडरस्टैंड के what is expected of them, and that's it.
फाइनली एट लास्ट व्हाट ऑडियंस विल सी, हॉटनेस और हॉरर.
The Ragini audience will see this.
सो इन फ्यूचर कभी मूवीज की बात की जाए रागनी एमएस रिटर्न मूवी के बारे में आप डायरेक्ट करना चाहेंगे.
Of course, why not? I mean, it's a great brand and horror is एक डायरेक्टर के लिए बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होता है शूट करना. You because romance is is a writer's medium and an actor's medium. Drama is about acting and writing again, but horror is a director's medium because the actor does less. It is the director who's the strongest in horror. So, एक director के लिए horror is very interesting to shoot.
आपको क्या ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट लगता है, हॉरर या रोमांस?
Horror या romance. You know, for me, I like कि रोज you don't like to eat the same thing, na? So today you had paneer, next day you have chicken, third day you'll have fish. So every day should be different.
And Bollywood में से somebody that you're looking forward to work with, you would like to work with,
Amir Khan is a
an actress.
actress, or Priyanka, Deepika, all of them. Thank you.
Which one?
So Karishma, you will short for you.
Yeah.
So you're playing a lead role as a Ragini. So how is your journey about Ragini?
I mean, I've said this before, Ragini has been amazing. There's so much depth to Ragini. And the new season, it's more exciting. There's a lot of action scenes. There's a lot of drama, a lot of new things that you guys are going to see. I'm going to be shooting one of the boldest scenes I have shot and one of the boldest scene in Ragini. So yeah, please watch it when it's out. It's going to be really exciting.
Well, is it easy to shoot such romantic or bold
Romantic
scenes?
or bold? They're two different things. It's not easy, but you know, this is what I have signed up for, and I do it with all the grace. And it's fun because we're shooting with Cancer, and he's a lot of fun. So he's prepped us, you know, he's made us do rehearsals. So yeah, it's not easy, but it's fun also.
And what about the horror?
Horror is a lot. It's much more tougher, I think, than the whole bold scenes because there's harness. You have to climb places, so it's much tougher. But that's also a lot of fun. It's yeah.
Well, Sakshi, you are a part of now Ragini MS.
Yeah.
So how it's feel?
It feels great. I've come for the climax and I have a very exciting role, adventurous role. So you gotta watch.
Tell us something about your character.
My character's name is Simone, and Simone is a very adventurous girl, carefree. She doesn't care. Whatever she does is like, whatever she wants, she does that. And yeah.
So now we have two beautiful ladies and one.
Thank you.
So who is more, you know, horror?
More beautiful.
Yeah.
That's for people to decide. We both
I
are
just gave
pretty.
him a word. No. We both are hot. She's hot. I'm hot. And what else?
I think people have to decide, and plus, we think all of us, like for women, I feel everybody is beautiful, everybody is sexy, so there's nobody much sexier. Everybody, whoever is in our show, like all the girls, we have more girls than guys, we have hardly 3 guys, but all the girls are beautiful, and I think everyone out there should know that everyone's beautiful and sexy.
Yeah, it's about your heart. It's not about your face. Face is all done up, yeah. I mean, the personality you put on, that is beautiful.
Yeah.
So what kind of excitement is there as you all are shooting the last climax scene?
We're really excited,
The
and you
dangerous
guys
climax
have to. It's gonna be a lot of fun, so you guys have to watch to see what's coming up.
Bold and beautiful
There's
in
a
short.
lot. There's a lot of things coming up in the climax.
So did Ragini afraid you?
She, not yet.
Don't lie.
Not yet. Not
I'm
yet.
really scary. I'm
Not
really
yet.
scary.
No, not scary for me.
And how was your chemistry with Siddharth?
It's really good. Like on screen, you guys have seen we have a great chemistry. I know Sid for like 5 years, so it was much easier to do these bold scenes, and you know, we're great friends. So we have great chemistry as friends and off screen, on screen. Yeah, and he's a great guy.
With you, Sakshi?
I haven't shot with Siddharth yet, so just saw him acting. Sorry, and he's good at it.
Also, you have been part of a Splitsvilla. So
Yeah.
are you happy the way your journey is going?
Good. See, I won Splitsvilla, so my journey was very good in it. Yeah.
साक्षी डायरेक्टर के साथ केन के साथ आपका कुछ प्रिपरेशन था?
बहुत
उसके बारे में
या
क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
हमने रिहर्सल्स किए, हमें पता चला कि हमें एग्जैक्टली क्या करना है, कैसे शॉट करना है, शूट करना है, तो अगर रिहर्सल्स हमारी हो गई हैं तो उसकी वजह से हम
It
ज़्यादा
kept us
प्रिपेयर्ड हैं
us.
अभी. एंड केन सर, ही इज ब्रिलियंट विद इट, ही इज लाइक
Yeah,
ब्रिलियंट विद हिज जॉब. ही इज डन ऑलरेडी 2 वेब सीरीज
too
with
much
Ekta.
fun working with
Yeah.
him. It's
He
not
makes you feel
like-
comfortable, that's what he
Yeah.
does.
It's not like a, it's more like a fun, we're shooting, we're like a family. So,
Yeah.
I mean, the whole team of Ragini, it's been like a family. And I feel it's not one person's job. Like, it's just not Ragini making Ragini. You know, it's the director, it's assistant director, it's the light team. It's everybody's hard work come together for what Ragini is today. So,
Any
yeah.
fun incident you want to share?
You know, this recent thing happened and it's really scary. So I was shooting in Naiga and this place is so scary. Like there's a cross there and it's very, very spooky. So I go back home, I have my dog, so I was chilling with him and I was like, okay, I'm gonna go back to sleep. And I switch off the light, I walk till like my kitchen and the light goes on by itself. Like I was so shocked. I couldn't sleep for 4 hours. But then I told myself, I'm like, no, I'm Ragini. Maybe that's why the ghost following me. And yeah, it was funny.
Have you encountered any ghost?
Not yet, I don't want to do that. Yeah, but then the set we were shooting on Naigaon actually
Yeah.
very scary. It looks haunted. If it is haunted or not, we don't know, but it looks very haunted. You walk in, isolated
is,
place,
like, there's something
and
about
then
that
that
place.
small little bungalow. Oh my God, scary.
There is something
scary
about
like
that
shit.
place. It's very
Huh,
spooky.
it is. It looks like.
And it's
I hope
never
it doesn't
happened
happen
to me.
with me in
like-
future, near future. Leave it to the set.
So Ragini will kill you or you will kill Ragini?
No, we are not killing
They kill
anybody.
each other.
I think the
Anything you
ghost
would
should be
like to
killed.
say about your upcoming projects or something that you're working on apart from this?
My film is coming out in Feb. It's called Hotel Milan, and I have a different character there. I have a UP dialect. I'm speaking in full Bihari language, so that's going to be very exciting. It's very different than Ragini, and yeah, that's in Feb. You guys should watch that. But before that, I'm sure Ragini is going to be out, and Ragini has a lot for audience, more than the first season. So you guys keep a watch.
Krishna, you have become a now brand. Doing a Ragini, you have become a brand now, and also बालाजी के साथ आपका patch-up हो गया है. So do you think the
Patch-up?
journey- the journey in Bollywood will be high? कहीं ना कहीं
I didn't get the question.
जो बॉलीवुड में जर्नी काफी तेजी से ऊपर जाएगा, आपको क्या लगता है?
Well, I think I'm doing Ragini. I'm doing another film. I'm hoping to work with Ekta ma'am again. I think maybe I will do something more with her. I'm looking forward to work with Ekta ma'am. And I think you never know. It's so unpredictable in this journey what's going to happen. So whatever comes to me and whatever exciting roles, exciting script comes to me, I'll just take it. So.
I'm hosting a travel show right now for Travel XP channel. So just came back from Mauritius. That was the best show I did. I mean, I got to travel the world, and I'm gonna start with Europe now. So yeah, it's gonna be aired in 15
Exciting.
days. Travel show is the best thing to do in the world. Yes.
So at
After Ragini MMS.
So at last, what audience will get? I mean, more horror or more?
Sorry?
At last, what audience will get in this series?
See, everybody, people who like to travel, who like to see the world, and
No, I'm talking about Ragini.
I'm
oh,
talking about Ragini.
okay.
I think,
I
Ragini
think everybody,
has,
teenagers से लेके बड़े बूढ़े सब देखेंगे, because horror सब देखना चाहते हैं. And also there are steamy scenes and all, so I think everybody will be attracted to see this.
Any complaint or any compliment from family members?
As I said, my mom thought, like, she was really upset and she thought I was looking fat. That's why she was upset. So, no, but other than that, my mom's proud. Like, you know how the campaign has been. It's been all over the rickshaws and people have been sending me those pictures. Like, everybody's like, dude, you're on the rickshaw. So, they've all been really happy, you know. I mean, it's a high to success. So, I think my family is super duper happy about it. Yeah.
My scene is yet to be shot. So अभी किसी ने कुछ देखा नहीं है, तो मेरी mom ने react नहीं किया. जब देखेंगी तो I'll see her reaction and get back to you guys.
करिश्मा,
Yeah.
अभी अनुष्का ने शादी की है विराट से. कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
I think they're so cute together, and congratulations to them. And yeah, it's just adorable to see people so happy, so happily in love. Yeah. What else?
New Year में wishes देना चाहेंगे? Divorce को?
And a resolution?
To eat right because I eat a lot, so I have to
Do
eat
anything
right.
but don't trouble your mother, man. That's my new resolution to all the kids
Trouble
out
your
there.
mother?
Huh? Don't trouble
No,
your
yeah,
mother.
I
For
think-
all these kids, teenagers, be
But I
good to
think-
them. That's all I want to
But
say.
if you don't trouble your parents, who will?
No, 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 no.
I
you
mean,
should
in a
not.
good way.
At least your
like-
mother.
In a good way, like
Trouble
you
the
know, you
father.
always. Yeah.
Great.
New Year resolution would be eat right, eat healthy, work hard, and yeah, I just want to be super successful. Work hard, look your best, act well. Yeah, that's all. Work. That's all. I need to work 365 days. I love working. I'm a workaholic, so that's it. Thank you so much, guys. Please watch Ragini MMS and
Yes.
a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry
I
Christmas,
hope all
Happy
you
New Year to
guys have a great New Year and yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you
chill.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Visuals, ma'am.
मैम यहाँ पे होल्ड डन वेट नहीं वेट यार मैम वेट में थैंक यू
Thank you so much.
मैम यहाँ पे यहाँ पे मैम वेट 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 मैम
Done, guys?
वेट वेट मैम दिस साइड ठीक है
Thank you so
दानिश तेरे माइक में आवाज क्यों आ रहा है साक्षी जी
Yeah, sorry. सेट तो करना पड़ता है ना। हम तो मीडिया हो गया।
यहाँ पे मैम वो मुद्दे पे एक्सप्लेन थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू मैम पर ले लेना
गलत अभी लास्ट तक कैमरा चालू कराऊंगा मैं समझा और अभी खड़ा है